I've tried with this firmware everything possible. I come to the conclusion that I think my Arduino ramps 1.4 is broken at that port. Because, and that's port T0. And the reason I say that is because my heat bed is now at 103 degrees. And that's actually pretty much correct. And it's climbing. On the computer it's now at 4.4. That's bang on. That's I'm never gonna get it better. Yeah, okay. That's kinda as close as I can get. I've tried to calibrate my hot end to 230 degrees, which is ABS, and I'm in my computer at 295. And in reality, it's a little bit hard to point correctly at this angle. I don't know if that's even visible. I'm now at 203. Yeah, if I can correctly aim it, now I'm at 215, 16, 215. And here on the, but it's getting lower every single time. So I don't know if it's cooled down. I don't know. 200 is too little, so I'm gonna put this at 310 degrees. And this is Celsius, eh? Normally you can't go above 230, 35. Now I'm at 206, 216 I've seen. $218. So this is about the temperature I need, and I'm gonna try the first time to extrude. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's really slow, but let's go. 100 millimeters. That's quite a lot. Let's do 4 centimeters. At 70 millimeters per minute. This is the first time there is filament going through this hot end. I'm keeping a close eye, and I'm feeling to the filament that it's not getting stuck. And it's stuck. It's stuck. No, it's going again. Weird. It shouldn't happen. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna try is to get that nozzle out of the extruder. So let's see how high I can get this. That's about maximum. So now I want to get that extruder out. It's a little bit cooler now, but not yet. Okay, I got this nozzle. And I wonder, is there a hole? A really small hole. I think it was a 0.2. It's not written down on the nozzle. Oh yeah, I think it's a 0.2. That's really small. To me that's not open. You should be able to see a little bit of light through it. I think it's closed. I do think I found the reason why it's so cheap. And that's because of it's not very accurate. I don't think it's 3 millimeters. I'm bumping up against something, but I don't know what. This PTFE is wide enough. That's not a problem. I'm kind of stuck at the start of that hot end. I don't want to take it apart. This is turning into a hassle. I can see straight through. I can see straight through. And I don't really see any problem. It's making it even worse. It needs to come off then. Annoying. Very annoying. Oh, there is a little error in the metal. Oh, it's not that. I'm stuck here somewhere. What the? I simply can't go through a 3 millimeter filament. Okay, I've drilled the thing a little bit out with 3 millimeter, but I didn't even touch it with my drill bit. But now I think I'll widen it a little bit. Oh, work me. Just a little bit. That's not true. That's a good one. No, where's PTI? PTI tube, right here. I'm not going to forget to get this tightened. I'm pretty sure I'll get that. Again, you need to take it all apart. Okay, too far. No, I'm not sure if this has a little hole. I don't think so. Okay. See, yeah, now we're getting through. It's moving. I think we can go. We'll start feeding the bullet. This is in control. I wonder. It's getting hot. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's check the temperature. I'm at 175, 70. 186. $195. This is my maximum. At 196. Let's try to extrude. Yes, there's extruding plastic. It's extruding at 198, 194, 194. I kinda need a little bit more. On my computer I'm at 330 degrees. That's way too much, but yeah, it's on my computer. It's not like it's real. My cutoff is I placed it instead of 275 at 340. So I'm gonna make it 360 for the next uploads. It is sticky. You need to check if it's a little bit sticky. And it is. It sticks on the heat bed very good. So I think this is a good temperature. Here, solid test cube. Let's open this in Cura. There we have a 1 centimeter test cube. 1 hour. No, let's not do that. The nozzle size is what did it was 0.2, eh? Let's have the flow at the moment at 100%. You don't need spore. The heating bed can be 110. This one, I need to remember this. 335. 335, yeah, of course. Print speeds. Let's have this at 80. Fill density. Let's do that at 20. Layer height. Let's do that at nozzle size. Or is that not the right calculation? Let's do that a tenth of the nozzle size. Wait then. Yeah, let's set this at 0.24. No, that's what I meant. 0. No? 1. Just to have it fast. Shell thickness. I only want 2 advanced, blah blah blah. Travel speed 120. Let's have the bottom layer 35 infill, yeah, 85, that's nice and fast. 75. This is gonna take an hour. What? An hour? Why is it gonna take an hour? It's 1 centimeter. What am I filling in incorrectly? All correct. I don't have support and whatever. That's my bed temperatures. What the fuck? It's not going anywhere. 78.4. Oh, I'm not connected anymore. Oh, I'm on 106. Okay, how is the heating bed? 109? Okay. Let's print with USB. It's gonna take 1 hour. 1 hour 45. That's really long. Come on, baby, don't let my bed cool. I hope my height is still okay. I so wanna stop with ABS. Come on, baby, start. Ooh. Ooh. It's not getting there. Okay. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Don't touch. I touched. I need to stop. Crap. Let's see what he's gonna do. Yeah, he's touching. Come on, baby. Your buffer is empty. Go down. Oh. Still too. I should do this correctly. Let's do this better. Ooh. That's perfect. It's not yet extruding. I think it's such a small nozzle, it's really hard to print. I kinda want back my 0.3. Everything is so touchy then. No, it's not really printing. Oh, I placed cooling. That's my problem. Where is this cooling setting? Cooling setting. Machine setting. Advanced. Oh. Minimal layer time. 25 seconds. Oh, there we go. can be printed at 7 minutes, but it's gonna be way too fast. Let's do a 5 seconds minimum layer time. It's not extruding. So oh, there's nothing coming out. Jesus. Okay. What temperature does it have? That's 235. So that's okay. Then why is it blocked again? Too hot to handle. Okay, that's the worst nozzle ever. That's the worst extruder ever. I'm not gonna use that one. No, sir, no. I'm gonna take it again apart. And I'm gonna use my nozzle, which costed over 50 euros. Smaller first, but you can't see it anymore, but it was copper. I'm really sad this one is gone. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. This has bigger air holes, but it's a little bit more.